Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Whenever you create a YouTube channel, then one thing that comes into your mind is how far is the journey of YouTube monetization? Well, the answer is simple. Sometimes it's just a piece of cake, and sometimes it's be like climbing the Mount Everest. So in this video, I will show you how you complete YouTube's 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers criteria in few days or few months. So stay tuned with me. How I completed YouTube's monetization. Well, I just completed my YouTube monetization, so I thought I should share my experience with you guys. Well, I started this channel in 2014, but for some reason I left my channel, but then I decided to continue, so I choose gaming for this. On January 7th, 2022, I started this channel again on regular basis by uploading and live streaming on my channel, and on May 26, 2022, completed my 4,000 watch hour. Then I sent channel for YouTube monetization on 3rd June 2022, and after 4 days on June 7, 2022 at 3:15 p.m. received this mail. Congratulations, your YouTube monetization is approved. How you can monetize your YouTube in short time? Well, answer is simple. Always make channel of your own interest. If you are interested in gaming, then choose trending games, but first be a pro player of that games, because if you are good gamer, then your viewers increases daily. So if you like to become a vlogger, then try to explore different places and make trending food reviews. So always make content of your own choice and interest, so you and your subscribers don't get bored. What are the best tips for complete your watch hours and gain subscribers? To complete watch hours is sometimes not an easy journey, because you have to engage your audience in your content for minutes and hours. So for this you have to do some extra efforts and tricks to make audience well engage. So I will give you some tips and tricks that will not only increase your watch hours, but also your subscribers. Tip number 1. To increase views and subscribers, always make tips and tricks videos of the trending games, cause these kind of videos never get old. So show your fellow gamers how they can fix lag or fix network issues in their games, how they can fix FPS problems, and how they can make sensitivity settings for games. These kind of videos always engage your audience on your YouTube channel. Tip number 2. Try to be a YouTube streamer. Yes, streams can increase your watch hour in instant. So if you are a good gamer and your gameplay is good, then come live from third-party streaming apps like Omelette Arcade or Prism Live. If you stream for an hour and 100 viewers watch your stream, then it means you got 100 hours of watch time in an hour. So my tip is to do live streaming every day. Tip number 3. If you want to get views and watch hour in instant, then be a regular uploader. If you upload your videos daily, then your channel will be more searchable. This will help you in growing your channel in short time. Tip number 4. Always make interaction with your subscribers by answering comments and take suggestions from your subscribers, what kind of videos they want to see in your channel. Also in YouTube channel analytics, there is a tab search across YouTube about trending games tags. And also check your viewers search what kind of videos they want on your channel or on YouTube. So make trending videos always. Tip number 5. Whenever you upload a video, always share your videos on other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This will increase your subscribers across the world, which will increase your views and watch hours. Things what you should do to avoid copyright and strikes. Number 1. Don't use reused content. Never use other person content on your channel. Always make your own content. If reuse others' videos or music in your channel, then you will get copyright claims. And remembers, if your videos get copyright claims, then your watch hour will be not included in watch hour criteria, and you can't monetize. Tip number 2. Don't use VPN or multi-browsers. Never use a VPN to increase your watch hours. Yes, if you are thinking to use multi-tab browser to increase your watch hours, then you're wrong, because YouTube algorithm detects invalid activity, and it will not only reduce your watch hours, but also make penalty on your channel. Tip number 3. Don't watch your own videos. Never watch your own videos from same IP address. from where you uploaded your videos. If you are using a Wi-Fi network at home and you upload your videos from that Wi-Fi, then don't watch your channel videos from that Wi-Fi. And also don't ask your family members to do this, because this will not increase your watch hours and views, but chances of AdSense block increases, so don't use invalid clicks activities. Tip number 4. Never make videos on non-trending topics. Never make videos on non-trendy topics and games, because people will skip your videos and your impression rate will decreases drastically. So always choose latest updated topic on tips, tricks, and gadgets. Tip number 5. Never give up, and don't quit. Don't leave your YouTube channel if you are not getting any good response. Well, sometime your videos are on same topic on which many others already made videos, so make your videos little bit different from others. Use trending tags so your videos looks different and people click on your videos daily. Conclusion. Always be positive and remember success always comes with patience and hard work. So choose your future carefully. If you are gamer, then makes gaming videos. But if you are vlogger, then don't try gaming or gadgets reviews, because you will not able to show your work to others if you also don't have much knowledge. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel.